I'm starting my 4th of July vlog.
Yeah. What's up, people? Wait, what is
Loki.
it? Like loud?
Did you get the parachute?
Terrible loud.
Run. What? Ryan, what are we doing?
Multiple of them here.
Artillery shell.
Oh, this is a big one.
This is like the biggest one you can buy.
I'm coming! Oh my god! That scared the crap out of me. Dude, that scared me. We over to our safety spot. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Literally. Got it. Oh god. Woo! That was good. I just stepped in a hole. Found it. Gosh! Ryan.
No, I'm going to.
Ryan.
That's some pretty good aim.
Where are we going?
Did you see that sparkly one?
Where? No. I want to see a sparkly one. Found it. Run!
Don't throw
Ah!
It's destroying you.
I don't like that, Kale. I don't like that. Oh, God.
I also like the way they...
Oh, God. Oh,
It's still going. It's still going.
oh God.
Okay, you guys. Okay, now they're competing.
The sledgehammer.
I'm scared.
Boom.
Oh, my God.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh my god, I got hit.
2. It ain't done. I thought it was done. Here we go.
I'm plugging up yours.
Holy crap.
Yes.
I like those. Yes.
Bye, Gramps.
Okay. And baby sign. Are you gonna go to one?
Ken just lost.
My dog.
Okay.
Socks just peeked up twice and
Yeah, they cannot compete with them. They like removed the hair on my leg, that chunk.
And that's what scares them.
Oh! Oh!
Does it take special liners to? No, but there's see if his hand's got something going.
But their hunk is a slow burn. Oh! I got hit.
That was pretty.
I could probably get him.
This is the grand finale? Oh,
Not yet.
there you go again. Yeah. Come on, man.
He's
Look,
done.
it's still my brother. Brother's the pyro. Oh, wow.
Oh.
There's $5. Oh, there's 10.
You can tell who's better.
Oh, can't focus. That's a 26-second fuse.
Worth it.
Yeah, I can't even get it. Thank you. Got it. Yeah, I got nothing on this. Bunch of fog. Oh, that's over there. I was like, what?
That
Close it.
was awesome. Day 3 of 4th of July.
Hey, oh shoot.
It's the 4th of July. This is so much fun. You're a good driver.
Thank you. Just wait until we get to the real track.
The real track?
Yeah, going all the way around.
What?
We go around the street.
Oh, I'm excited. Okay, now I'm gonna die because Kale's driving. Kale, how old are you?
12.
He's 12. Kale. Help. Help. Oh God. I'm going 33 miles. Okay, so we're hiding under a canoe because we can't see the screen.
canoe. It's a flat kayak.
Okay, well, same freaking thing. But we can't see the screen, so we're going under. Oh my God. Ooh, they're pretty green. That is a really pretty green.
It's not really gonna work that well.
It should.
No, these don't.
It looks like a
Oh,
guy.
that kind of actually works.
It looks like a geyser.
Ryan walks straight into it.
Cool. Land.
Yeah.
Yes, the back's still open because nobody's in the car yet. But there's.
Lauren, we can.
So we back from the land. She's taking pictures of me, boy. Why are you taking pictures of me? And we're just sitting outside. Ooh, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Boy, boy, what is up with you? We out here. It's so freaking hot outside. I have a cold pack on my back. And she does too. What is up with your life, dude?
Oh, okay. So
Mom.
that doesn't shoot over.
Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you leave a like and low-key subscribe. Bye guys.